Hello dear friends, welcome back to another video tutorial from Advanced Biology, and this video is all about some very basic multiple choice questions on human reproduction. Definitely it is really necessary to practice more and more biology MCQs for growing our conception. Now let us begin. The first question is, egg is liberated or released from ovary in. There are four options: secondary oocyte stage, primary oocyte stage, gonial stage and mature ovum stage. Here we know during the process of ovulation the release of the egg occurs at the secondary oocyte stage in which meiosis 1 has been completed. So here the correct answer is secondary oocyte stage. Now the next question: gonads developed from which structure of embryo? Testis in males and ovary in females develop from the mesothelial layer of the peritoneum. So here the correct option will be mesoderm. Next question: how many sperms are formed from a secondary spermatocyte? We know sperms are produced by the process of spermatogenesis from the male germ cells. Each primary spermatocyte divides by meiosis 1 to produce two secondary spermatocytes, and each secondary spermatocyte further undergoes meiosis 2 to produce two spermatids. Spermatid then transform into sperms. So here the correct answer will be option C, that is 2. Next question: occurrence of Leydig cells and their secretion is. We know Leydig cells are present in the interstitial spaces outside the seminiferous tubules within testis, and it secretes androgens such as testosterone. So the answer will be option D, testis and testosterone. Next question: middle piece of mammalian sperm possesses. There are four options. We know a mature sperm cell consists of four parts, that is head, neck, middle piece and tail. Head contains the nucleus having haploid number of chromosomes and acrosome which contain the hydrolytic enzymes. Neck region contains a pair of centrioles lying at right angles to each other. Middle piece is enlarged by the presence of many mitochondria. Adenosine spiral turns around the axial filament called mitochondrial spiral which provide energy for the sperm movement. Tail region is composed of cytoplasm and axoneme occurs throughout it. So the middle piece of mammalian sperm possesses the mitochondria. So here the correct answer will be mitochondria only, the option B. Now we'll go for the next question. Fertilizins are emitted by. We know that mature eggs contain an outer jelly coat that is gelatinous and secretes chemoattractive substances such as fertilizin that allow egg sperm reactions. So here the correct answer is mature eggs. Now we'll go for the next question. Freshly released human egg has. There are four options. The first option is one Y chromosome, second one is one X chromosome, the third one is two X chromosomes, and the option D or the fourth option is both A and B. We know the cell substance of ovum is known as ooplasm, which is the cytoplasm of the ovum. The nucleus is also known as germinal vesicle, and the nucleolus is known as the germinal spot. The ovum is enclosed within a thick transparent envelope called as zona striata or zona pellucida, adhering to the outer surface of which are several layers of cells derived from those of the follicle and collectively constituting the corona radiata. So here the correct answer will be one X chromosome. Next question: mention the location and secretion of Leydig cells are in each testis. The regions outside the seminiferous tubules we know the called as interstitial space, which contains small blood vessels and interstitial cells or Leydig cell. Leydig cells synthesize and secrete testicular hormones such as androgen. So the correct answer will be testis and testosterone. Now we'll go for the next question. Extrusion of second polar body from egg nucleus occurs. Extrusion of second polar body from egg nucleus occurs after entry of sperm but before fertilization, that is before completion of fertilization. The entry of sperm into the ovum induces completion of the meiotic division of the secondary oocyte. Entry of sperm causes breakdown of the metaphase promoting factor, that is MPF, and turns on anaphase promoting factor or anaphase promoting complex APC. So here the correct answer will be after entry of sperm but before completion of fertilization. Now we'll go for the next question. Male hormone is produced in the testis by cells of. Testosterone is the male hormone that is secreted by the cells in the vicinity of the seminiferous tubules, and they are known as Leydig cells. So the right option here will be option D, that is Leydig. Now we'll go for the next option. Next question. Acrosome reaction in sperm is triggered by. We know sperm cells go through a process known as the acrosome reaction, which is the reaction that occurs in the acrosome of the sperm as it approaches the egg. The acrosome is a cap-like structure over the anterior half of the sperm's head. As the sperm approaches the zona pellucida of the egg, which is necessary to initiate the acrosome reaction, the membrane surrounding the acrosome fuses with the plasma membrane of the oocyte, exposing the contents of the acrosome. The contents include surface antigen and numerous enzymes which are responsible for breaking through the egg's tough coating and allowing fertilization to occur. So this reaction is triggered by the release of lysine. So here the correct answer will be release of lysine that triggers the acrosome reaction in sperm. Next question. Ovulation occurs under the influence of which hormone? There are 4 options and 4 hormones are there. We know the menstrual cycle starts with the menstrual phase. The secretion of gonadotropins, LH and FSH increases gradually during the follicular stage and stimulates follicular development, as well as secretion of estrogens by the growing follicles. Both LH and FSH attain a peak level in the middle of the cycle, that is about 14th day. Rapid secretion of LH leading to its maximum level during the mid-cycle is called LH surge, which induces the rupture of Graafian follicle and thereby the release of ovum. The process is known as ovulation. The ovulation or the ovulatory phase is followed by the luteal phase, during which the remaining parts of the Graafian follicle transform as the corpus luteum. So here the correct answer will be LH or luteinizing hormone, that is option A. So ovulation occurs under the influence of luteinizing hormone. Now we'll go for the next question. In 28 days human ovarian cycle, ovulation occurs on. We know ovulation is the process of the release of a mature egg during menstruation cycle. In a typical 28-day human ovarian cycle, ovulation occurs on day 14. So here the correct answer is day 14, option C. Next question. At the end of the first meiotic division, male germ differentiates into. We know during meiosis 1, primary spermatocyte is the main germ cell. It is diploid 2n with 44 and XY, that is total 46 chromosomes. It completes the first meiotic division, reduction division, leading to the formation of two equal haploid cells called secondary spermatocytes, which have only 23 chromosomes, that is 22 plus X or 22 plus Y. So at the end of the first meiotic division, male germ cell differentiate into secondary spermatocyte. So here the answer will be secondary spermatocyte, that is option A. Next question. The mammalian corpus luteum produces, there are four options. Option A is estrogen, option B progesterone, option C leukotropic hormone, and option D luteinizing hormone. We know in the human female menstrual cycle, the ovulation or the ovulatory phase is followed by the luteal phase, during which the remaining parts of the Graafian follicle transform as corpus luteum. In case of pregnancy, the corpus luteum secretes large amount of progesterone, which is essential for maintenance of the endometrium. Such an endometrium is necessary for implantation of the fertilized ovum and other events of pregnancy. During pregnancy, all events of the menstrual cycle stop and there is no menstruation. In the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates and this causes the disintegration of the endometrium, leading to menstruation, marking a new cycle. So here the correct answer will be option B, progesterone. That's it, and I believe the video will help you all. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can comment on this video. Subscribe to this channel to get more and more video like this in future. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.